because there's people waiting on YouTube. Gone live. Hello everyone, Wayne here. I hope everyone's well. We had a bit of a mix-up. Everyone's here. Good. There we go. Okay, so this training is for those of you on the Megalink. Okay, so if you're on the Megalink, you're watching this training. Let me click. This was a live training. Okay. This was a live training, but if you're watching the recording, the same applies for you guys as well. Okay, so let's just make sure. There we go. So this is training on how to help your Megalink and other links, if you've got access to them, how to help them go viral. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, I'm going to share my screen and show you the algorithm, because some people missed the live training did, so I'm doing this record. I'm doing this live, but it's also going to be a recording. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen, show you how to go viral. Just let me know you can see my screen there. Should be able to see my diagram software. There we go. So I'm going to show you how to go viral at the Megalink level. Then I'm going to show you a software when you become part of the Megalink that you all get free to help you go viral. Okay. Think of it as an unnamed bonus. Okay. So you've got your Megalink. Okay. You want to get as many people to this. Yeah, Brendan, Apara, everyone, Paul, I can see you guys watching live. There we go. So you've got your Megalink, okay? So a lot of people think I need to just get my Megalink, spam people with it. It's not what we do, guys, okay? What we're actually trying to do is we're trying to get traffic, i.e. people, to our Megalink. We're trying to get traffic to it. Okay, one of the best places to get traffic is, i.e. traffic you don't know, people you don't know. One of the best places to go is social media. Okay, and when I say social media, I mean places like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, even LinkedIn, X, all those type of platforms. They're all social media platforms, okay? This is the best place to get free traffic from, okay? Free traffic. Who wants free traffic? Everyone should want free traffic, okay? Everyone should want free traffic. Okay. These are the best places. Now, the way social media works, okay, you'll notice some people seem to post, okay, when you post, we'll say Facebook for now. Okay, when you post on Facebook, some people get thousands of shares, thousands of likes, tons of engagement. Okay, tons and tons of engagement. Why is that? Okay, it's because of the formula, or what we call the algorithm. Okay, it's the algorithm. Is why they go. It's not really much always to do with what they write, although it's a big part of it. It's not really much that they're famous. It's not really much to do with anything apart from the algorithm. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the things that affect that algorithm. Hi, Bruno. And then I'm going to show you how you guys can do it for free with one of the tools we've got inside the site. Does that sound good? Just for being a Megalink owner, okay? So the algorithm, when you think about it, let's go to Facebook. It's the same across all the platforms, okay? Let's go to my profile, okay? Now, the most I've ever got on one Facebook Live, okay, it doesn't mean we're not talking about Facebook Lives, just where I got the most interaction, was 16,000 comments, okay? 16,000 comments. It went viral. It went crazy, okay? Now, when we look at any post, so this is, I don't know if you're here, Miss Wacom, she used this software and got 21,000 within 48 hours, 21,000 views, okay? And it's not always just about promoting stuff, guys. When we are marketing, there she is, Jennifer is here. When we are marketing, okay, we don't just try and sell all the time. We try and give value. We tell stories. We talk about our life. We talk about our journey all the time, okay? So you can see the only signals on a Facebook post, really, that people have got to go by, okay, is really simple. It's thumbs up, it's comments, and it's shares, okay? Because if something is good, okay, so the algorithm says if something is good, okay, it's going to get commented on. Okay, it's going to get commented on. It's going to get shared. And it's going to get liked or, even better, hearted, a laugh emoji, something like that. 24K today. Well done, Jennifer. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? When you do a post, these are pretty much the only things that all of the social medias look at, because that means it's a good post. Okay. Let me know that makes sense. Pretty simple. Okay, there's other things and other signals and things that go into it as well, but ultimately this is it. Now, what happens when you make a post, okay, or you do a video or anything else? Like if you do videos, there's even more things in the algorithm, like watch time and percentage of watch time. When you make a post and it gets more comments, more shares, more views, more hearts than normal, then what happens is, okay, Facebook or Instagram or X starts thinking, this is a good post. We need to push this to more people, okay? Now, if I look on my timeline, we'll see it on my feed, okay? I'm not friends with this person, okay? But for some reason, Facebook think I should see it. I'm not really interested in it, but Facebook thinks I should see it. So it's suggested content. And if we go through, this one's to do with Yarmouth. Funnily enough, I spoke about this place to my family yesterday, okay, because I think we're going there Sunday. It's pushing it to me, okay, and it's got lots of shares and likes. And if we scroll through, this, I'm not a member of this group. It's got real good interaction, so Facebook thinks I should see it. Does that make sense, guys? It's suggested content. Black screen and real good, man. I think you can all see this. If not, there is a recording. Okay. For some reason, it thinks I should see this. I am not, like, because it's going viral. Okay. So that's how they know, like, that's how they know to push things viral. This, for example, okay, me and Katie are friends. This is another good thing to see things going viral. Me and Katie are going friends. She suggested I should join this group. It's got more interaction than normal, so Facebook thinks I should see it. Okay, so they have this algorithm that pushes your content in front of people. Okay. The main things with that are this, okay? So when you make a post, let's flip it around. So when you make a post, it will go out first to friends, okay? Friends you've had good interaction with, not all friends, okay? So a small group of friends. If it gets above normal comments, shared, hearts, likes, everything else, it will probably push it to a bit more. This is why you see posts from like weeks ago, okay? So then it will push it out to a bigger group of friends. Okay, even more friends. If it then looked like it's going to go viral and the signals are good based on the algorithm, it will start suggesting it to other people. Okay, it will start suggesting it to more and more people. And if the signals look good to people that don't know you, it's going to push it and help make it viral. Does that make sense, guys? This is where virality comes from. Okay, comments, shares, likes and hearts. This will be shares to feed. And there's another one they're paying more attention to, which is shares in Messenger, in messages. Private shares, because this is what people do. If you see something funny or relevant to the other person, I did it this morning with a really relevant. I went onto YouTube and I was searching for something. I'm like, wow, this makes so much sense. I shared it with someone that's in the same position as me. Okay, so shares in messages are far more powerful now. Okay, so does everyone understand the algorithm now? It's the same, more or less, across all of them. Okay? It's the same across all of the platforms. They're all slightly different, but you can assume these signals only help. Let me know any questions, because obviously we are live now, but this is going to go in a recording as the Megalink trainer. Okay? To make sure everyone knows the power of this and the simplicity behind all of the algorithms. Okay, really simple. Okay, so now we know, okay, that we want more comments, more shares, more likes, more hearts are better, more shares and messages, and we want to get this thing going. Okay, and it's not just the case. What happens is when you get your profile getting more of these, okay, so this is your profile, and you're consistent. Okay, this is how I want you to imagine it. Okay, your friends and your followers goes up. Okay, which means the viral effect can be much bigger because it shows it to more friends first of all, and then it pushes it viral much quicker. So the more in other words, the more consistent you are, the longer you do this. Not just a day or 2 days, but if you do it over weeks and months, your profile, your social media stands a much better chance of going viral much more often. Doesn't mean every post will go viral, okay? It just means when you get one that really hits, it's just going to blow up, and you're going to get like 500 likes, 300 shares, and you're going to be everywhere, okay? So we want consistency, we want comments, shares, hearts, and sharing messages. And this is why, okay, the one thing we've got, guys, with what we do with OLSP is we have amazing people. Would you agree? Like, if you're watching this, you're in the community, we have amazing people in the community. Okay, amazing people in the community. So we want to bring the power of that together. Okay, we want to bring the power of the amazing people, the community, and the algorithm into one tool, okay, into one singular tool. And that's why we made Viral Hub, and that's why we've made Viral Hub available for every single person that has joined the Megalink, okay? So let's go to my profile. Let's open up OLSP so I can show you how to get access to Viral Hub, okay? There's no extra cost to this, guys. No extra cost at all to this. So inside your dashboard, like so, we're live on this trainer now. That's why I was saying live everywhere. Let me just get it so everyone can see. Inside your dashboard, okay, you can go to the bonus vault. Okay, so we can click on the bonus vault and we can click there. Okay, just here. You can see it in the menu. Okay. It will bring you to OLSP tools. Okay, so you can go on to Access Viral Hub, click that, and it will take you to a 500 error. Why has it done that? Let's click it again. It's fine now. If you get a 500 error, just click again. Okay, and it will take you into Viral Hub. Okay, I'm in the wrong account. So let me just get in the right account. Oh, it's lost, but there it is. No. Let's go with that account, shall we? Let's go with that account. Let me just log in. Log out of this. Should be able to log in here. There we go. There we go. So I'll log into that account. Okay. So we're now inside Viral Hub, guys. Okay. So if you're there, this is exactly what it should look like. Okay. Remember, this is Megalink. Live Profit Builders, VIPs, you get even more perks, which I'll show you later. Okay, in another training video inside your training area. So what we do, okay, is we go into add your profiles. Okay, we click add profile, and we simply add what platforms we want help going viral. So Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. Okay. So let's say we want to add Facebook. We select Facebook. We go into Facebook itself. Okay. We click on our profile, which is that image of us. Okay. And up the top here, there we go, we copy the link to our Facebook. So whenever we go to that link, I'll do it here, it will go to our Facebook profile. Okay, it's the same on Instagram. Let's go to Instagram. Let's go to YouTube and show you how it's done. Okay, so on YouTube, you would go to the little icon up the top right, view your channel, and you would copy the link to your channel. On Instagram, you would click on your profile, and you copy the link to your profile. Okay, does that make sense, guys? You just go to your profile on any platform. You can do Pinterest and other ones as well that aren't listed. Okay, so I'll do, in fact, today I'm going to do YouTube. Okay, I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy that and put in the username handle. Okay, I'm just going to paste that in. Okay, profile name is just the name you give it. So it could be, if you've got two channels, could be the name of the channel, and just put in the profile name, and then enable actions. Okay, so we want to get likes, we want to get shares, we want to get comments, because we know how much it helps the algorithm if we are consistent. Okay, so we're going to click save. It doesn't connect or anything, guys. Do not worry. It just stores it, and because we have some automations coming that check everyone's doing what they said they're going to do. Okay, so we've set up our profile. Okay, now your first steps when you come in is you go to available posts, and what you'll see here, okay, is you will see that you can earn more credits up here. Okay, you can earn credits by liking, sharing, and commenting on other people's posts. Okay, so it's a credit-based system, and we have to do it fair, and the fairest way we can do it is credits. Okay, so you earn credits by opening the Facebook post. Okay, let's open it up, and I'll show you what to do. YouTube, whatever it is. This is Preston. He was talking about, so he done this 2 minutes ago. Okay, it works. It shows you the most recent posts. Okay, so I'm going to type in here. So he wants likes, shares, comments. Okay, so I'm actually going to hard it. Okay, we're going to leave a meaningful post, guys. Remember, it's community-based. We're not just going in to take. We're going in to share in the community. Okay, that's what it's really about. I love this. I was on the viral training, and people that missed out will just see the results and wonder how people got them. Obviously, only I have fat things, how people got them. Okay. Yes, you can post every link from different media. So you can do Pinterest, if not listed there, put them on, make a suggestion inside the community, guys, okay? And we do listen, okay? You do need credits, and you gain them by doing this. I've hearted it, I've commented, okay? And you can see other people are doing it as well, because this is the newest post, okay? And then you share it, okay? So I'm going to share to feed. Okay, this is awesome. I hope everyone caught it. I hope everyone... like so. And then click next, and I'm going to click post. Okay. So now I go back to Viral Hub, and so I completed everything, and watch my credits go up. Okay. So 325, it's now gone up 30 credits. Okay. Pretty cool. Okay. They build up pretty quickly, guys. Okay. These credits build up pretty quickly. So then you go to the next one. Okay. The most valuable one is a share, guys. Okay. If you don't share it, or you don't like it, or you don't comment, it hurts. Okay. So go through and do each of the actions. Decide how many you want to do per day. Ideally, you'd do as many as you can do. Okay. If you're a live profit builder, or you are a community builder or VIP, you get paid for these, okay, when you're a viral live profit builder and above, but I'll talk about that in their trainings. Does that make sense? So you're helping other people go viral and you're gaining credits. Now, you want to go viral yourself, okay? Remember, this is community-based, so it really is, yes, Megalinkers get the Viral Hub included, okay? You get the credit-based Viral Hub system. Okay, so now we want our post to go viral. Okay, so I'm going to add my own content. Okay, now I want to remind everyone, it's only for OLSP links and promotions. You can use it for value-based posts. Okay, you can. So what you go in, so I'm going to make a post and show you how this is done. Okay, so I'm going to post. Okay, I'm going to put the little thumbs down. This is always a pain, this. Where's the pointy fingers? Where's the pointy fingers? That'll do. Kind of looks like a down. Let's see if I can get it a nice... There we go. So I'm going to post it. There we go. And then what you do, guys, I want this post to go viral, okay? So we have to get a link to that post. We do not send people to our profile when we add content, okay? It must be to the post itself. A lot of people are just doing to the post. So on Facebook, you click the time, okay? Notice how that pops up, like it pops up off the page, okay? This is the URL you need for Facebook. This long one here, okay? It's normally like your username, posts, then loads of letters. Okay. On Instagram, again, don't send them to your profile. We'll click a video. I don't know what that face is. And notice how that changes here. Instagram/P, which means post. Loads of numbers. That's what we use to post on Instagram. And it's the same on all of them. On YouTube, if I wanted this one to go live or this one to go viral, I would use that. A link directly to what you go to viral. What you want to go viral. Okay, so I'm going to use this one because I said Facebook. Okay, I'm going to go into here. I'm going to select the platform, which is Facebook. This is the content link, not your profile. Too many people are putting their profiles in. There we go. And I'm going to think, right, how many credits am I going to give? What one's the most important? So I want 10 credits for likes, so I've got lots of credits. I want 20 for shares, and I want 15 for comments, okay? And again, what this will do, other people will go to available posts, and they'll get credits for commenting, sharing, and liking your content. Can you see how this is community-based, guys? Anyone that goes in and just takes, okay, will be banned. You have to go in, you have to give. This is the whole point of the credit system, okay? So we go in, and we will... engagement limit is just how much engagement you want. You want unlimited, or maybe you've got a limited number of credits. You only want 10, for example. So it'll cost you 450 credits, okay? And then all we do is click Add Post. And there we go, it's added, okay? So you can see all of the posts I've done previously. How many actions, users, shares. Okay, you can go through and you can see all of the actions that have happened on previous posts. Now, if I go to that post, I'll just edit the spelling. Okay, if I go to that post and refresh, you'll see already I've got 2 likes. Okay, I've got two hearts. So I'm going to put the link to this. And I'm going to put the link to this inside. And I'll show you again. So the live train's here. So I click on it. I highlight that. Give more than you take. Remember that, guys. Give more than you take. Okay, it's the only way it works. Let me paste it there. Okay, that's it, guys. Let me know that clears everything up in the questions. Okay, because again, the idea is, guys, to help you get traffic. Okay, that is the idea. There's Simon. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this training, guys. Hopefully it answers all the questions. It helps you go a bit viral. Okay, so let me know any questions inside the chat. If you're watching the recording or you've got a question afterwards, let me know inside the community. Now, if you are a live profit builder, you can earn commissions. Pretty cool. Okay, so you can see people are commenting on. So this is interesting about the algorithm, guys. Okay, so Preston, you now saw down the bottom left here, Preston actually commented on my post after I commented on his. Okay, so this guy, I now commented. Where'd he go? I think he liked it. This is the way, when you understand, yeah, I can't see the likes, but I now saw Preston liked it. Okay, which means I went to his post and commented on it. So when I post, my content goes in front of him. This is the algorithm in effect, guys. How cool is that? You are watching the algorithm and how it works live. Okay, so any questions, we'll rewatch this video, post your content, let's help it go viral, let's work together as a community, let's help each other, okay? And any questions you've got, please post inside the community, okay? The community we do read every day. I have someone in it every single day, and we listen to your feedback. Now, if you're a live profit builder, some posts have four errors, guys. It's because you must make sure, okay, that you do it on your profile. Don't do it in a group where people don't have access, okay? It must be on your profile, must be public, okay? If it's not public, then people aren't going to be able to help you, right? It's that simple, okay? Any other questions? Because people who watch the recording of this might have them as well. Let me know inside the comments. But hopefully I've explained it. Hopefully you see the power of this, okay? If you're fairly new to affiliate marketing, okay, if you are fairly new to affiliate marketing, we've got all the posts and everything you need, okay? You can go inside the academy, okay, and you can promote the mega link. Obviously, you can promote the mega live link if you've got access, okay. If you want to upgrade to live profit build, you can promote everything, okay. So hopefully that was helpful, guys. And again, any questions you've got, ask inside the community, and I'll see you on the next train. Thank you. Bye-bye.